Hi YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane, a proper decent one, but flies pretty far.
First, fold the paper in half. Try and get it as perfect as you can. And open it back up. Sorry. Then, as you usually do, fold the corners into the centre line. Like that. Okay, maybe a bit better than that. Then when you've done those folds, pull the front end backwards, and from the point to the bottom of the piece of paper leave about an inch, and then fold.
Bit like an envelope.
Yep. And when you've done that, do like you did in the first fold, above the spike, or the point. Do that on both sides. Then when you've done that, you'll have a triangle at the end, like that. Then pull that triangle up and over, and then fold. Then you have the triangle, pull it backwards so the triangle is on both sides at the bottom. Then fold the back. Then you fold the wings downwards and try and make the edges in line with the bottom.
Do it on the other side as well.
Yep. Then, when you've done that, just pull the wings up a tiny bit and then throw.
Yeah, and here's the other finished planes we've done as well.
Kind of messed the end up on that one.
Yeah. There's one. There's two. Yeah, and there's three. Yeah, thank you for watching, and now that's taught you how to make a paper aeroplane. If you have any questions, then just post any comments on the YouTube video, please.
Have fun.
Bye.